Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to implement the um, middlewares in this application, especially in the registration and login form. So what we currently have is whenever you log in or register, you will be automatically redirected to dashboard. And what we want is we want user to verify their email or phone number, whatever they have login on. So they will have to verify that before they go on to the dashboard. So that is what we are going to do. So if I log in, so I'm going to put my username and password, and I will submit the form. And as you can see, I am redirected to the home page, um, and this is the home page. And I want user to be redirected here until they are verified, and I am not verified yet, so I'm going to create middleware for that. And come to the terminal, and php, the command to put that is php addition make middleware, and let's call it user verification middleware, and hit enter. Now that is created, I'm going to restart the server again, and I'm going to go to that middleware. So user verification middleware, and here we have to create a logic for that. So the first thing, the first check that I am going to add is if the user has email, then go ahead and check if the email is verified. So um, dollar request of user of email exist. We mean like if that is not equal to null, then, or we can say like and we can add like inner condition, but we can do it this way as well, like and operator. If the first condition is true, then the second condition will be checked, and if the first condition is false, the second condition is automatically ignored. So if the user email exists, then go ahead and check the user email verification. So email verified it, and if that is equal to null, then come here and redirect user back to the verification page. So I'm going to confirm this from the user model. So I'm going to go to the user model, and yeah, that is correct. So here I'm going to return redirect user to the route. So complete that, and here I will pass route, and the route is, if I go to auth.php auth routes, here we will find the uh, email verification route, um, this one. So let's find the name of this. So verification.notice, and I will close that. Now this will be for the user that are logged in with the email. We have to add the same for the phone number as well. So for that, the condition will be pretty much the same. So I'm going to copy that, and here we are going to check the phone number. So um, if user request user has phone, and the phone number is not verified, mean the phone verified it is null. If I go to the user model, I can confirm that that is mobile. Yeah, I was wrong, so I'm going to use that in this um, middleware, and I'm going to change this to mobile because we have mobile field, not phone number. We can use any of that, but we have used that in the migration, so that's why we have to use it like this. Now once the this is the thing, then go ahead and um, redirect user to the mobile verification. So for that, if I come here, we have um, somewhere around here, pwn.verification.notice, and I'm going to call that route. So I'm going to paste that here. Otherwise, go ahead and redirect user to the next page. Now we have to add this middleware to the kernel file. So I'm going to go to this kernel, and here are the built-in um, middlewares. I'm going to add my middleware, and let's call it verified user, verified user, and here I'm going to pass the path of my middleware. So user verification middleware class, and add comma, and now I can add this middleware into my route. So I'm going to go to web.php, and on the home route, on the /route, I'm going to add this middleware, and I'm going to add that at the end. um, we already have the verified, that is email verification, that is fine. So now if I save this, let's see if that is going to redirect me to the verification page. Yeah, as you can see, as I am logged in as via email, so that's why it redirected me to the email verification page. And now if I was registered with mobile number, then this backup code will be executed, and I should be like redirected to the phone number verification page that we created in the previous video. So now we have to verify our phone number, and hopefully if I go to like Mailtrip, the one that we use here. So I guess that is Mailchimp, Mailtrip, yeah, Mailtrip .io. I'm going to go there, and I will resend the verification email, and I'm going to verify that right here. So we already have two. I'm going to clear that and clear. Yes, and now I'm going to resend the verification email, and once this is done, I will receive a success message here, and then I will verify that from the Mailtrip.io website. So let's wait for this to complete the processing, and when this is done, yeah, as you can see, we received a success message. And now I will come here, and here we got the email verification email, and I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, now I'm redirected to the dashboard. But if I go to the home route again, now I am not redirected to the verification pages, because my account is now successfully verified, and that condition is false, and the bottom condition, that is this one, is executed, and the home page is displayed. So that was the verification that we have to add. In the next video, we are going to implement the main UI for the application, like the posts and stuff like that. So thanks for watching, and I will see you over there.